A credit note is not just an accounting entry. It is a formal document under GST. And after creating credit note in Tally, we can verify it in many ways. One such document is printing of credit note and accounting ledger and the GST return reports, through which we can verify it. By the end of this video, you will be 100% confident about credit notes, from concept to creation to verification. Hi friends, today let us learn about credit note. A credit note simply means crediting the customer account. That's it. And that is the entire concept of credit note. The name itself tells you exactly what it does. It credits the customer account. For example, if you raise a sales invoice to a customer for 1 lakh rupees and they return the goods because of some reason, or you have overcharged, or goods were damaged, for any reason they return the goods. So that situation you have to raise the credit note to the value what they have returned, or what you have overcharged, or to the goods damaged. So to that extent, GST has to be affected. So this is the example for credit note. Before getting into the Tally practicals, let us see what the credit note should contain. First one, the amount credited to the customer account. The credit note must clearly state how much is being credited to the customer account. Both the inventory amount should be separate, that is the goods amount should be separate, and the GST breakup. Both should be clearly mentioned in the credit note. And the second is the reason for credit note. We have to mention clearly why the credit note has been issued, whether it is for returning of goods or defective product, overcharging or post sale discount, whatever it is, we have to mention it clearly. This is required for GST audit. And the third one is against which original bill it is raised. And the credit note must reference the original invoice for which it is reversing the amount, the goods amount and the GST amount, so that it will appear in GSTR1 with the customer. Now let us look at all the situations where a credit note is needed. One by one let us see. First one is customer returns the goods. The reason for credit note is sales return. The amount should be value of returned goods plus GST. And the second, if you overcharged the customer in the invoice, the reason for credit note is price correction, and the amount is whatever you charged extra amount in invoice plus GST. And the third situation is post sale discount given. If you give the discount after raising the invoice, the reason on credit note is discount after invoice. The amount is discount amount plus GST. And next one is if the goods damaged in transit. The reason for credit note is goods damaged. The value of credit note is value of damaged goods plus GST. And if the entire order is cancelled, the reason on credit note is order cancellation. The amount of credit note is full invoice value plus GST. In all these situations, the credit note reduces your sales revenue and reduces your output GST. Now let us get into the practicals. Let us go to display more reports, press enter, go to account books, press enter, and go to ledger, press enter, and select Sri Devi sales. Press enter. See, we have made one sales to this customer. Press enter. Let us see the invoice. See here, we have sold 2 number of Samsung phone at the rate of 85,000 each. This is the invoice, and come back by pressing escape key. Now let us assume that one mobile is damaged and the customer is returning it, so that we have to raise a credit note for one mobile. So now let us go to vouchers. Now you can see the voucher is sales. Now we want to enter credit note. So go to other vouchers or press F10. Select credit note. Press enter. And here party name you have to select Sri Devi sales. And press Ctrl A. Press Ctrl A again. And here select sales account. Press spacebar. Select Samsung. And here quantity you type 1. Rate and amount appears automatically. And here press enter. Press Ctrl A. Press spacebar. Select GST. And here press spacebar. Select yes GST. And come to narration. Here you have to enter the narration clearly. Goods returned as it was damaged in transit. Against invoice number you can refer. Press enter. Press enter to accept. Now the credit note has been saved. Now press page up key to retrieve the credit note. Now go to print. Now select preview. Yeah, this is the credit note. See here, credit note number 3, dated, ABC Mobile Store, everything is here. The customer name, customer GST, and the item, everything is here. And you can take the printout. See here, this is the credit note amount and quantity, HSN code, and the CGST, SGST, everything is here. Press escape to come back. Press escape. Now go to display more reports. Press enter. Go to account books. Press enter. Select ledger. Press enter and select Sri Devi sales and change the period. Alt F2 and keep it blank. See here we have sales made 2,600,000 and the return is 1,300,000, that is credit note. So balance receivable 1,300,000. Now this is the verification we have done and come back by pressing escape key. Now go to SGST or CGST and here change the period. Alt F2, keep it blank. See here 15,300 and 50%, half of that is 7,650 is debited. That means GST output has come down. You got it? This is also a verification. Come back by pressing escape key. In the same way, you can check SGST account also. Now let us go to GSTR report. Go to display more reports. Press enter. Go to GST reports. Press enter. Go to GSTR1. Press enter. And here change the period. Alt F2. Keep it blank. Now you can see the credit or debit note registered in 93B section. Press enter. See here Sri Devi sales and this is the credit note. See here on the top it is details of credit or debit notes and the CGST amount 7,650 and SGST 7,650. Total tax 15,300 and credit note amount is 1,300,000. This is also a verification from GST report. And if you want to see the credit note again, press enter. See here you can see still detail credit note number and taxable amount, everything, and press enter. Directly you can go to credit note and come back by pressing escape key. Yeah, this is the third verification. You got it? And come back by pressing escape key. And this is all about credit note. Now your challenge is create 2 credit notes in your practicing company. One for sales return and another one for price correction. And then verify in all the way I showed in this video. Like a print preview of the credit note and customer ledger, CGST ledger, SGST ledger and GSTR1 report. And drop a comment if you have any question and if you have any doubt, please comment below. And if this video made credit note completely clear, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And in the next video, we are going to cover debit notes in the same way. And so you subscribe the channel so that you cannot miss it. And thank you so much. See you in the next video.